Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lemfi Referral code step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure that you have a Lemfi mobile app installed and download it from the App Store Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the app and log in with your account. If you don't have an account, sign up using your email or phone number. And once you're logged in, go to Profile or Rewards section. The exact name may vary depending on your app version. Look for the Enter Referral Code or Invite or Promo Code. Then tap on it. Now type the referral code that you receive from a friend or social media. Make sure it's entered correctly, including any letters or numbers. And after entering the code, tap Submit or Apply. You should see a confirmation message that you have referral code was accepted. Once applied, the rewards like bonus credits, points, or promo perks will be added to your Lemfi account automatically. You can use referral code during sign up or early in your account setup to ensure that you get all the bonuses. Now you can start using the bonus rewards for payments, transfers, or any app feature that accepts them. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.